Okay, so I'm going to start these slides over again. I noticed that a lot of people at home did not fill in the notes in their packet. So this is going to be an opportunity to fill in the notes and get some credit for class participation for these slides. Like I said yesterday, if you see this root kine, it means motion. So kinematics is the study of motion. We're dealing with linear motion in one direction right now, which means in a straight line, left, right, up, down, anything where the object is just moving in a straight line. It's not making any kind of turns or curves. So you can think of like a ball dropping, throwing a ball straight up in the air, things like that. This example here has an oscillating spring just going up and down. When we talk about motion in 2 dimensions, you will have a curved path. So the example down here at the bottom is like a ball being thrown in the air. So as it's traveling up and down, it's also traveling left and right. The combination of those 2 motions give it a curved line. Scalar is a quantity that just has magnitude. There is no direction with it. Speed is a scalar. Instantaneous speed would be if we could calculate the change in distance that an object travels in a very, very brief moment of time, an instant of time. Average speed is the total distance you travel divided by the total time for you to travel that distance. So take a minute and answer these questions. Here are the answers.
Hey. I'm applying for a new villain loan. Go by the name of Vector.
So a vector is a quantity that has magnitude and direction. Velocity is a vector. The difference between position and displacement, this is something that causes a lot of problems, even though it may seem simple. So position is directed as the distance of an object from a reference point. So it has to have a starting point, and then from that starting point to where it's located, that is its position. Okay, it doesn't really matter how it got there. It's all it cares about is where it started and where it ended up. So that reference point. Displacement, this term displacement deals with the position of an object. Okay, how far it is from its starting point. So you would draw a straight line from wherever it started to wherever it ends up. Velocity, the rate of change of position. So when you're calculating velocity, you need to use displacement because displacement deals with position. Instantaneous velocity would be at that very brief moment, that single instant. Change in displacement vector divided by the change in time. Take a minute, answer these questions. Here are the answers done out for A, B, and C is up here. Okay, think about these questions for a minute. and come up with your answers.